Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Prakash from AceFoxLeo. How are you? Have a great day. And today I'm going to review my latest purchase, that is Apple's newest MacBook Air. Before we get into the topic, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's dive into the topic. Okay, so I purchased this laptop, Apple's MacBook Air 2020 late, and this laptop is powered with M1 chip, and I buy baseline model. So this laptop is come up with 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM. The cool thing about this laptop is this is Apple's newest chipset, and this is a brand new chipset that they claim to be super fast and easy to launch an app and optimize to their system, and the chipset they are called is M1. The RAM is optional. You can purchase this laptop with 8 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM, and before you buy this laptop you should consider which amount of RAM you should upgrade or you should buy. So this is not an upgradable RAM. This MacBook is now support HDR display. This laptop also using a scissor mechanism keyboard. This is a very super cool features that I had, and it is so easy to typing. The buttons are very responsive. This is a fanless MacBook Air that is compared to the previous generation. For my opinion, I have used this laptop for a few works and I didn't notice any issue of overheating or anything, and that is super easy for me. This is perfect. Now we have get all day battery life that Apple claimed to be 11 hours on a single charge, but for my usage it almost complete 2 days on its single charge. Because I'm not a heavy user, for your information, I edit every video that I upload on my YouTube channel. I edit using iMovie in this laptop and edit every single video that I upload to a YouTube. And I have never overcome with the battery issues or overheat issues, and it is easy, smooth and move fast and make me more feel like I'm using a super fast computer. So I'm not a heavy user like I mentioned before. So the battery that comes up with me for 2 days is depend on my usage. Maybe it is different for a person how they use on their profession or their works on this laptop. The speaker of this laptop is very impressive, super loud, clear and nice, and I'm super impressed with the sound quality on this MacBook Air. As usual, the webcam for this MacBook Air is still using the old version 720p of webcam, and most of all I'm not going to use that webcam, so that's not a big deal for me and still best. The price of this MacBook is 4,399 ringgit in Ringgit Malaysia, and if you are student you can get discount almost 400 ringgit less than the original price if you are student and eligible for their requirements. Lastly but not least, this is the perfect MacBook Air for beginners, for students. Okay guys, we are end of our video now. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon below to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you guys. See you all in my next video. Until then, peace out.